So a lot of our stampings are made out of aluminum, stainless, or spring steel. And then we have wire forms in galvanized wire, stainless steel, basic carbon, some copper. And we have experience with more varieties of materials, but those are the main ones we work with. We really love telling customers that stainless is one of the better options for you. The cost is a little bit higher, but it's more reliable. It's not corrosive. You don't have to do the outside processing that many of the other materials require. And so we have a lot more control over the end product. We specialize in high volume.
What?
High volume.
Can't hear you.
We specialize in high volume.
Oh, I got it now.
So we can service every industry, but many of our customers are in construction, both industrial and residential. We have food service customers, which is where our stainless experience comes from. We have clients who make consumer products, electrical components, and we make a lot of clips, spring clips, solar clips, and don't forget, we can make very precise, micro-sized stampings and wire forms.
We always say around here, if it doesn't work, make it work.
So one thing that sets Crawford apart is that we can make your tooling on our machines for your part, but if it can't be done with what we have right now, we have the capability of making a machine that works for your part. We make it work by modifying the machines to do exactly what your part needs to run efficiently. And we've even been known to build a whole machine from the ground up for a client's job.
Well, there's always challenges. You just have to remember not think of them as problems, but think of them as challenges, and keep going. You're never beat until you quit.
If we can't make it, I do have some manufacturers I can recommend. The bottom line is, call me, because either way, we can help you.
We make wire form stampings and four-slide precision, built to your specs with a master's vision. Whatever the metal, whatever the quirk, at Crawford Manufacturing, we always make it